If you're trying to bulk up, you need high protein and high calorie meals that are quick, easy, and actually taste good. So today I've got a killer recipe that is super quick, super easy to make, and help you pack on muscle without spending hours in the kitchen. So you're gonna start off by boiling some pasta in some salty water, and then in a separate pan on medium to high heat, you're gonna add in your beef and make sure it's all spread out and it's touching the pan evenly because you want that brown crust on it, which is gonna add more flavor. Then while that's cooking, you're gonna chop an onion in half and then peel it. And then you're gonna chop the ends off and then you're gonna crush the garlic, just like I show in the video. This is gonna make the garlic way easier to peel because the skin is gonna come loose off of the actual garlic. Then after roughly 5 to 7 minutes, you're gonna flip every single piece of beef over and it should look like that. If it doesn't, then you need to turn the heat up higher. Then you're gonna taste the pasta that's been cooking and make sure it's evenly cooked. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to dice an onion. So you're gonna cut 2 slices like that, like parallel to the cutting board, and then you're gonna cut strips like that, just like I showed in the video, and then cut the other way. So, and it should look like that. And then with this piece that's left over, you're gonna just try to do the same thing with it. Then you're gonna take the garlic and like smash it with the knife, and then it's gonna make it easier to dice it and like go crazy on it. The spices that you're gonna add to your beef are salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. And then go be generous with them. You don't want any bland beef. And make sure your beef is brown and not gray. Then you're just gonna look depressing and not taste good. Then you're gonna chop up all the pieces of beef and make sure they're small and even and not chunky. And then you're gonna save some of that pasta water because it has starch in it, and it's when we add it to the sauce, it's gonna make it thicker. Then move the beef over to another plate, and in the same pan, without washing it, without cleaning it, you're gonna add in some butter and then add in the onion. Then you're gonna let it sear and cook and become softer and more translucent for a couple minutes. Then you're gonna add in the garlic. And the reason we add in the garlic later is because it cooks way faster than the onion, and you want to preserve some of the flavor it has. Then you're gonna let it all fry and sear for a couple minutes, and make sure you're mixing it around and not so it doesn't burn. Then after like 5 to 7 minutes, you're gonna add in 400 milliliters of tomato sauce, 200 milliliters of bone broth, or if you don't have that, you could just add like some wine or even some water, it's fine. Then you're supposed to add in heavy cream, but I couldn't find any at the supermarket, so I added Greek yogurt. And then finally, we're gonna add in the pasta water. Mix it all around and let it simmer for like 5 to 10 minutes, or until it becomes thicker and it's reduced more. Then add in some Italian seasonings like oregano or oregano, however you want to say it. Then add the beef back in and add the pasta back in. Then you're gonna see me react to it, and it's actually my first time tasting it, and I think it was pretty good. Yeah, then mix it all around and enjoy. This took me like 45 minutes, so this better be good. This is way better than I expected. I'm not bullshitting you, it's actually good. Like, it's actually good. Definitely make this.